Want a custom alarm sound on your iPhone instead of the default tones? Here's how to set it up step by step. First, download the sound you want to use onto your iPhone. Then you'll need to get this app, GarageBand. Launch it, swipe, and select the option of audio recorder. Click on Allow. Tap the playlist icon at the top until you see the microphone view. Now tap the blue triangle icon to make sure it's white. Then tap the loop icon. Go to the file section and select your downloaded sound. Under Recents, long press the file and drag it into the timeline. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Select Section A. Turn off Automatic and set the length to 15 seconds. Tap Done. Tap the arrow in the top left and choose My Songs. Long press on your sound, select Share and tap Ringtone. Name your custom tone and hit Export. Now you'll need to set as alarm sound. For that, close this and launch your clock app. Create a new alarm by tapping the plus icon. Tap Sound, scroll down and choose your new custom tone. Tap Save to apply. And that's it. Your alarm will now play your custom sound instead of the defaults. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.